Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install, update and uninstall all JetBrains products such as intellij, webstrom, phpstrom, Android Studio and etc. by using just one tool. So for that we have got this tool called as JetBrains toolbox. So just go to this jetbrains.com and you need to download this toolbox. So if you are using Windows, so you can just use this executable file, and similarly for Mac, and we will be doing for Linux. So for that, just go to this tar file and this will download this tar file. So just click on save. And once this tar file is downloaded, just go to the folder and just right click to extract here. So let me click extract here. So go inside here and open in terminal. Just right click and open in terminal and just type / and JetBrains toolbox and just click enter. So this will open the JetBrains toolbox. So here you can see it has opened the JetBrains toolbox. So it shows all the installed tools. So if we want to install other tools such as Android Studio, so we can easily install by just clicking install. So this will just ask for some agreement. Click on this Android Studio and so you can see here it has already started downloading and it will automatically install. So if I want to install some PyCharm, and so basically we can install every JetBrains tools from this single tool. So if these tools have got some update, so this will automatically show the update icon here. So you can just click, in one click you can just update these tools. So this is how you manage all the JetBrains tools by using just one tool, and that's JetBrains toolbox. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.